Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Ride Like a Pro. If you are here for the first time, and if you have been watching me, thank you for watching. I have 30 plus years of experience in riding motorcycles, and I have 7 safety tips for beginners. Okay, number one, gear up. And what I mean by gearing up, gear up every time. What I mean by that is wear your dot helmet, wear gloves, wear boots, and a riding jacket and riding pants. Cause road rash is real. Road rash will go all the way down past the white meat. So make sure you have your gear up. Number two, learn slow speed control. Practice slow turns, uh, clutch control, and emergency stopping in an empty parking lot. You can go to an empty parking lot and you can practice these techniques and practice your balance while you're going at a slow speed, and throttle control are key to avoid beginner's mistakes. Number three, ride like you're invisible. And I'll explain what that means later on, but always assume cars, don't assume that cars don't see you. Don't assume that. Stay out of blind spots and position yourself where drivers can see you. That means, get in the mirror. You can see their face in the mirror, on the side car mirror. Get in that mirror or the rear view mirror, and you can see their face. Then that means they can see you. Make eye contact before crossing in front of cars. Uh, that means look in the look in their eyes. Like if a car's pulling out and you're coming straight, look in their eyes, look in the window, and make sure that you're making eye contact. And what I do, I add a little bit more to that. I look at the wheels. If a car coming, like if you come this way and a car coming out, look at the wheels. You can see if the wheels roll forward like they're coming out. So look at the front wheels, and that's another indication of somebody might be getting ready to pull out in front of you. Okay, number four, watch the road surfaces. Look out for gravel, potholes, oil slicks. That means like where something's been leaking oil, and wet spots in the road. Might be a water puddle, or maybe some water done poured off a water truck or something like that. Be aware of them kind of things. Avoid sudden braking and on bad surfaces. That means don't make quick stops on like a bad surface. Might have sand or rocks or something like that on it. That's a bad surface. Or might even have like concrete broken up, the part of the asphalt, like little holes, where asphalt, like they might need to repave the road or something. Be aware of stuff like that. Learn to always scan ahead, always look ahead. Don't look directly down in front of you. Put your eyesight out in front of you, at least 50 to 100 yards out in front of you. Okay? Number five, always have an escape plan. And what that means is don't ride too close behind cars. Always have a way out if they stop suddenly. Use lane position to avoid hazards. That means get in the lane if something in front of you. get in your lane. You stay in your lane, but B, you got the next to the yellow line, and you got over the next to the white line. I don't recommend in the middle of the road because that's where everything leaks oil. So I recommend either over the yellow line or over at the white line where you can see ahead of the car in front of you. And what would help with that is a safe following distance. So stay back at least 5 or 6 car lengths or more. It ain't gonna hurt to be more. So you can see the road ahead of you. And that way you can avoid hazards in the road. If something feels sketchy, slow down and stay ready to react. If something don't feel right, slow down and be ready to cover your clutch, cover your rear brake, and cover your front brake. And that way you be ready to react whatever is going to happen. Number 6, ride within your skill level. Don't chase faster riders. That means somebody faster than you. Don't try to keep up. If they care anything about you and y'all together, they'll slow down or they'll go up the road and stop and wait on you. But don't exceed your riding ability. Stay in control. That way you can stay in control because you've been riding you've been riding 50 miles an hour and they're riding 70 miles an hour. You got control at 50 miles an hour. If you ain't never done 70, that's you're not gonna be able to control it probably because you're not used to that kind of speed. Take a motorcycle safety course. I mean, that's not gonna hurt, them guys, teachers. Well, I never went, but I've heard good things about them. I have nothing bad to say about a motorcycle safety course. So anything, if you're a new beginner, it probably will help if you haven't already. But if you have not, that might be something good to invest in, a motorcycle safety course. My last and final one is stay focused, not distracted. No music in both your ears. You don't need that right now. No texting or at stoplights. A lot of times you don't have time to do that anyhow. Keep both hands on the handlebars. Riding takes full attention, which it does. It takes more than full attention, really. It takes extra attention because you always got to be looking. You always got to be shifty-eyed. You got to keep your eyes shifting. You listen. You always check your rear view mirrors, right and left mirror. Be aware of what's behind you. Be aware of what's on the right and left side. Be aware of what's in front of you. Always be aware of what's going on around you at all times. And that's going to pretty much wrap it up. If you're new to this channel, you're going to learn this right here. But if you watch my channel, you'll know I always say what we all trying to do is get back home safe to our families. So if any of this stuff you think gonna help you, which I'm pretty sure it will, like, share, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Thank you, and God bless you, and I hope to see you in my next video. God bless you. Goodbye.